A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Dialogue with God, igniting the human spiritual dynamo. Ladies and gentlemen, humanity, an extraordinary creation of the Master Creator, exemplifies the intricate balance of purpose and design imbued in life. Each individual is a marvel of engineering, designed to thrive, find meaning, and fulfill a higher purpose on the gifted canvas of planet Earth. Beyond the realms of the physical and intellectual lies a remarkable mechanism, the emotional energy dynamo. This divine facet empowers humanity to connect with the cosmos and engage in a profound dialogue with God. More than a cornerstone of faith, this dialogue bridges science and spirituality, unlocking solace, clarity, and empowerment while enhancing humanity's collective sense of purpose and well-being. The cosmos, with its infinite expanse, exists not as an abstract void but as a facilitative environment for humanity's journey. Within this grand design, humanity is equipped with the capacity to align with the Master Creator through the power of prayer. This dialogue, a two-way transmission of energy, is rooted in both spiritual and physiological phenomena. The process begins in the human brain, the most sophisticated energy transmitter and receiver. Neuroscience reveals that prayer and meditation activate regions of the brain associated with emotional regulation, empathy, and introspection. When an individual reaches out in prayer, this act triggers the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which generate a profound sense of connection and well-being. In return, the brain, acting as a spiritual amplifier, deciphers manifestations of divine energy in the form of thoughts, clarity, and inspiration. This cyclic process not only addresses immediate concerns but also strengthens mental, emotional, and aspirational energy dynamos. Gratitude, an integral aspect of this dialogue, enhances its efficacy even in the absence of pressing needs. Expressing thanks fosters neuroplasticity, reinforcing positive thought patterns and cultivating resilience. Scientific studies corroborate that individuals who engage in regular prayer and gratitude practices exhibit lower stress levels, improved physical health, and greater emotional stability. The dialogue with God, therefore, is not limited to seeking solutions only, but extends to sustaining an enduring sense of relationship, purpose, and harmony. What's the way forward? To harness the full potential of this spiritual energy dynamo, humanity must recognize prayer as both a personal and collective tool. On an individual level, dedicating moments for reflection and dialogue with God fosters a deeper understanding of one's purpose and enhances emotional resilience. On a societal level, promoting spiritual practices can foster collective well-being, creating communities that thrive on shared values of empathy, gratitude, and purpose. Furthermore, the integration of spirituality with science offers a promising frontier. By advancing research into the neurological and physiological effects of prayer, humanity can demystify the mechanisms behind this divine dialogue and make it accessible to diverse audience. Educational systems can incorporate practices that nurture both the mind and spirit, encouraging holistic development. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the dialogue with God is a profound gift, a direct conduit to the Master Creator's boundless energy and wisdom. This exchange, rooted in gratitude and purpose, transforms human existence, empowering individuals to navigate life's challenges with courage and confidence. The amplified energy from this connection cascades across all facets of life: physical, mental, emotional, and aspirational, propelling humanity toward collective progress. Embracing this extraordinary mechanism reaffirms humanity's unique role in the cosmic design, ensuring that the journey on earth remains one of fulfillment, harmony, and divine alignment. And God listens and helps. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.